It's almost been 2 years now since the first time we heard of the COVID-19 pandemic. Was pretty horrible, right? But for the US investors, this was just the beginning. As soon as the COVID-19 started to spread, there was a global recession. Almost all the stock market indices crashed, and things were about to get as worse as the 2008 housing market collapse when the protagonist of our story came into play: the US federal government and the Blackstone Investment Group. Now, speaking quite frankly, these were the actual heroes of the 2008 economic recovery and also the reason why we needed that recovery. But who cares? In this video, we are going to understand that why there's a chance that the world economy might have started to collapse, and what are some serious issues with the Indian stock indices and the US hedge funds.